Let's talk about IMILAB Smart Doorbell and see why it is so special. It revolutionizes the traditional doorbell that you have no idea who's knocking on the door. And you will no longer get mad because of the missed delivery. The built-in camera allows you to answer your door from anywhere.
Hello!
When your kids arrive home, it will tell you immediately and show you a head-to-toe view, and may give you a surprise sometimes.
Is that a turtle?
Hey, Mom, look at this!
With 4-megapixel camera, you can see everything clearly.
So cute!
It is easy to install. 15-degree adjuster for wider viewing angle. This means it can be installed in any house. 5200 mAh battery. It can last for half a year on a single charge. You don't need to charge the doorbell from time to time. IMILAB Doorbell PIR technology can identify humanoid and other non-humanoid objects. Faster and more accurate notifications. You can even customize the detection distance for precise positioning. Not a good time to answer the door? Not a problem. You can send pre-recorded responses with just one tap.
Hello, the package here.
Please leave it at the door.
Hey, Mom, I'm coming!
The IMILAB Doorbell Gateway can amplify the Wi-Fi signal, allowing you to respond quickly anywhere. 2 ways to keep the data. You can watch the playback of the doorbell directly on your smartphone. IP66 waterproof that can be used even in extreme weather. Night vision allows you to see clear images even at night. An immediate alert is issued when a danger is detected. So yes, having an IMILAB doorbell means you will be more secure and guarded. Anywhere, instant response with no delay. This is the IMILAB Video Doorbell.